So welcome aboard Google Cloud again. In the previous lab, we just created the spanner database. So we came here on the spanner we imported the spanner, created the client to interact directly with the spanner. We gave it our database instance. We already have our database. So we have here our table. Quiz instance, okay, is the name of it. Quiz database. And the feedback table. Okay. Quiz instance, quiz database. When they have the feedback table, we're going to insert when you publish the feedback here from the application, you're going to interact directly with the spanner. Okay, so it's so easy, simple to work with the spanner using Python. You see, no bureaucracy. Okay, so going here, we stop the worker, the application. We have to stop and rerun that. Okay, come in here. Let's go to the places. Spanner test. Right here, gonna start the worker. Let's send the feedback. Okay. You can see we get even the analysis. And here we could go to the feedback table. Okay, you have a query here. Okay, got it. It's running. Here we go. Just interact directly from the Python to the spanner. That's what I would like to share. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.